So we're all packed and heading out to our annual Ensenada trip. Ensenada is a fishing port about an hour south of the Mexican border from San Diego. I spent many of my childhood summers there and feel blessed that I get to share this experience with my family every year as well. You may ask, what's so special about Ensenada? Well, sit back and see for yourself. The beach is probably the biggest highlight of this place for my kids. They spent most of the day in the water, battling the surf and riding boogie boards. That was true for me too at their age. Now, I have just as much fun relaxing in the sand and reliving my childhood through my kids.
Marker. Tell me why you like Ensenada so much. Why do you like Ensenada so much?
Because it has beach.
It's not
Sky here.
What'd you say?
It has the beach. It has big waves. It has a cool house. You can go on the roof. And it has different parts of the house. You can go in there. You can go in there.
You say you like the house, not the Ensenada?
Well, kind of. I like the beach too.
Paco, what do you think?
I like Ensenada because the beach and the waves are really strong.
Oh yeah? What about Maddie? Maddie, why do you like Ensenada?
Because it's nice.
Because someone's always filming you on camera and you love it, huh?
Faster than the usual, please just leave me be. I'm proud to catch your waves at the beach, I know. There's so much to say, there's so much to do, and so much to see. But in my dreams, I think it's safe to say I'm free. I think it's safe to say I'm free. have to wake up someday and face my fears instead of just flying away to the sky or grow twice my size. I'll deal with it, but until then, all I can ever do is say goodnight.
I don't think you could fully understand how awesome this trip was without giving you a quick tour of the house. My only regret is that I didn't give you this tour when we first got there, before it was lived in. All right, so this is where you walk in the door, come down here. Then downstairs they have like a pool room with a pool table and a washing machine and dryer, so you can wash your clothes and stuff down there. And this is the first bedroom here. Boys are sleeping in here, and then that's an extra little pad they gave so that they can sleep on too. You come over here. One of the bathrooms there, I think one of my kids is in there taking care of business though, so. This is the kitchen. We got a full kitchen. Cal's cooking fish tacos, the fish we caught today. We have a pantry there with, believe it or not, they supply you with water and extra bottles of water. You don't have to go to the town to buy your own.
Gallons of water.
Yeah, gallons and what are those jugs or stuff. So they have a microwave, an oven, refrigerator. Then we have this like living room area, so where Maddie is staying. Oh, and Rockford's in there now. So there's another little living room in there with a TV. Dining area. Another little dining room here with a little bar so you can sit out and eat. And this is a little living room here with nice ocean view. This is the room we're sleeping in. The ocean view. And the kids are in there taking a bath now in our bathroom. So you walk right out onto the beach, or a little bit of a sand dune before you get to the beach. There it is, up there, our fishing stuff. Now that's not it. I haven't even been up here yet, but I'm going to go right now. I don't know if it's open.
You haven't been to the balcony?
No, not yet.
Oh, I just went this morning.
I need the key. Where are the keys? I know where the keys are. Gotta come in here and get the keys. Bought this fan just in case we needed it, but really I don't even think we needed it. So this is a pretty good deal. I mean, this is really nice. And it was spotless clean. I mean, better than hotels, most hotels I go to. And he left a bottle of wine on the table for you. So I haven't gone up here yet. Ooh. But there is a balcony. Oh, looks like someone had some beer. Right here, you can sit up here, hang out, watch the sunset. It's the bay / estuary on that side. Carona Beach is further down that way, on the other side of the peninsula. Go around this way. Really quiet beach, not a lot of people there, because you have to like live here to come here. Bufadora's over there. That's pretty much it. Now, remember that pool table I told you about? Now, if you were to ask me what my biggest highlight of Ensenada is, I would have to say fishing. Make sure you use bloodworms if you go. It is by far the best surf fishing bait that you can buy. we decided to take a break from the surf and head about 20 minutes up the road to La Bufadora. La Bufadora, also known as the Blowhole, is an underground cave with a hole in the ceiling that gets pressurized as the tide brings the water and air into it and sprays water out like a geyser.
He's like, this is the place that Bert stole my churro.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's time to head home, but we have to stay true to our tradition and stop at Puerto Nuevo to have some lobster. Yep, we got all this lobster for just under $75. You really can't beat that.
Gracias.